How we doing, people? So it is Christmas mid-morning, 25th of December 2025. So we are off to some farm, but I thought I'd let you check this out while we're here. This is a Pranburi dam, I believe. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, catch us at the farm in a second. Right, we're at the goat farm. Look at that for a beautiful view. All the goats down there. We're going to get some feed and some milk, and we'll feed the little goats. They're quite cute. Look. Oh. Can't eat that. Hello. Did you get it first? Alright, so you got it first. Let someone else have some. You want some?
Calm down, calm down.
Oh, look.
Calm down, baby, calm down. เอามา20น้ำคือดูไม่เป็นไรพี่เดี๋ยวหนูเอาอีกขอบคุณครับไม่ต้องแล้ว
Look. Hey.
Okay.
Oh, look.
Slowly.
You stubborn, you are, aren't you? You're very forceful. Let little ones have some.
อันนี้เท่าไหร่พี่คิดไปเลยนะ100พอดี
Oh.
Oh my god Oh my god ใจเย็นๆลูกใจเย็นๆOh
Thirsty. You want some? Let him have some. You getting off of all of them, you are. You're greedy.
Oh my god
That's it. Finish.
กูกินเองไหมให้ฉันกินเองไหมหยิบกระป๋องตังค์มาดิFinish.
Oh, you're alright. Thought you might run at me. Bite me. No, you're alright. I was pooing. Oh, did I disturb you pooing? Sorry about that. Look at this little one. Oh no, he's well cute. This little one. Look. Aww. Look. How cute. Where is he? Look. Hello. Oh, you're too cute. Oh. He's like a little cartoon character. Oh. Whatever. Right, I'm not fine. Oh, did you want that bit, did you? Okay. Right, one second. I'm going to come over here because you're all going to start butting me. I'll try and put that in there. Oh, go on then, take some. Oh my god. What have I got myself into there? Look at him with the big arms. Look, come on then. Let's go down there and give your mate some as well. You want some? Mind my fingers. Come on then, take it. Ah, got them all. She's the goat herder. You want some? Oh god. Come on then. You want some? No? I'm fed up with that. Don't give me grass. Hey!
Oh yo!
alright, it's only mud. Don't worry. I'm the same. Look at these. I wonder if we've got any fainting goats. Okay. Go on then, get your bit.
อันนี้ฉันไม่ให้กินหรอฉันจะบังแดดไม่วิแม่เธอจะใส่
What are these? These are sheep. Oh my god, I didn't think we had sheep, and we have. It's the first sheep I've seen in Thailand. That's mad, I was only talking about that the other day on another video about sheep in Thailand, and now I found some. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, sheep. And these two, let's go and see these two. What do you want? You want some? You want? You want? You want? Come on then. Yeah, look at that. That's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Lovely place.
ขี่โผล่โลผ้าเดียวได้เย็นๆใช่ไหม
Come on then. You look like an alien, you do. You want?
โรจาทำไมมันไม่เอากับเธอมันมาลุมฉัน ดูเอาแล้วฉันก็กลัวเหมือนกันนะเธออย่ากินนิ้วฉันนะเหยียบตีนกูจังแล้ว
Oh no, it's nearly gone. She's so shooting dead. God. Oh, alright. Just to mind my fingers now. Right, so this is the name of the farm, if you can read it in Thai. That's where we are. Right on Pranburi Dam, I think it is. I'll double check that, and I'll let you know on the screen where it actually is. Yeah, I think it was 20 baht for the milk and 20 baht for a bit of green for them to eat. So yeah, it's only a quick little stop off, so we're going to carry on going up and round the mountain now, and we'll see where we end up. Yes, check this out people, absolutely lovely. Not a single person on the road, just me and a beautiful mountain and scenery. So just got around the corner and this is what you're left with. Look at that. A couple of fishermen out here doing a couple of bits and that's about it. No one here. even there. This is what we're dealing with. Absolutely no mobile signal and this absolutely stunning view. Down some little concrete road. No one down there. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, I don't know where we're going to end up. I'm trying to get back onto the dam. So that's what we're heading for. So yeah. Check out the next bit. Right, just got totally lost. Thought I'll do a left down this road. Ended up down some dirt track like that for the past 25 minutes. Mrs is whinging at me. I've just managed to get myself back on the main road. I've had no internet for the past 40 minutes. So yeah, we've just stopped off there to get myself a nice refreshing lemon tea and get back on the road. So I'm probably about, I think it said an hour and 10 minutes away on the sat nav. So yeah, get the phone a quick bit of charge and get this drink down us and get back to where we're supposed to be. But anyway, that's the joys of jumping on the bike and exploring, I suppose, isn't it? But yeah, problem with these dirt tracks is you get some really sharp stones, and I've already had 3 punctures and I really can do without one an hour away from home. So I've been lucky the last couple of times, people have helped me out, but where I am now is a bit empty of people and buildings and anything else. So but yeah, that's where we are at the minute. So I think we're probably about 20 minutes from Pranburi Dam, but yeah, I'll be back with you in the next one. Look at these absolutely beautiful views. No other traffic. Me on the moped with the missus, chilling. Absolutely loving it.